Assalamu alaikum, dear students. What's up? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Today I would like to give you a class on WH questions. It is necessary for the degree pass and honors and major students. You know that in WH questions there will be a statement and you have to form WH questions according to that statement. So let's see some examples and rules of WH questions. Okay, to make any question form, we have to follow the rules of interrogative sentence. To make any statement to interrogative sentence, we have to use auxiliary verb at first. If there is no auxiliary verb, then we have to take the help of do, did, or does. In this case also, you have to use auxiliary verb or do, did, does after WH word. Okay, let's see some examples and rules. Moreover, you have to remember in this case that in WH questions, all the first person will be transformed to second person and second person to be first person. You have to remember this always. Okay, to ask about personal subject, we have to use who. But when we use who as subject, we should not use auxiliary verb here. Example, Nazrul is our national poet. Question, who is your national poet? You see, our is transformed to your here. First person to second person. Okay? Then, to ask about personal object, we should use whom. Example, we respect our teachers. Question, whom do you respect? Then, to ask about the owner of anything, we should use whose. Example, I borrowed his book. Question, whose book did you borrow? Then, to ask about particular thing from many things, we should use which. Example, Facebooking is my favorite hobby. Which is your favorite hobby? Then, to ask about material subject, if the subject is any matter, then we should use what. Example, coronavirus makes us panicked. Question, what makes you panicked? Then, to ask about profession, we have to use what. Example, my father is a teacher. Question, what is your father? Then, to ask about the way of doing anything and frequency, amount, age, or health, we have to use how. Example, he got GPA 5 by working hard. Question, how did he get GPA 5? Then to know or to ask about the place of anything we have to use where. Example, my father lives in the USA. Question, where does your father live? Then, to ask about the time of anything, we have to use when. Example, we achieved independence in 1971. Question, when did you achieve independence? Then, to ask about the reason of anything, we have to use why. Example, you need to learn English to be smart. Question, why do I need to learn English? You know that I have told you to transform every second person to first person and every first person to second person. You see here you, and you is transformed here to I. Okay? Okay, I hope you have got the point how you have to make question form from statement for your exam. Moreover, if you follow some exercise and do it at your home, I think you will be benefited and will be able to answer easily in your exam. Thank you very much.